We'll take you through the Nendine recycled silver jewelry and eco-brass jewelry manufacturing process. Nendine has helped support thousands of businesses worldwide achieve great jewelry through our specialized custom jewelry solution. It all starts with accurate digital representations of your jewelry in 3D renderings. It also helps you make informed decisions, no matter what stage you are at in the jewelry process, to guarantee results. When the drawing is confirmed, we make sure to carve the wax according to the 1:1 size. Rubber mold making is a particularly delicate process. After the mold is heated into one piece, the mold is carefully cut along the middle, according to the opening line of the master mold. Each model is welded to a stick to form a tree-like object. Then, the jewelry goes through the casting process, and your piece starts looking more like the jewelry you might see in a store. A polisher works to make sure the metal is polished to perfection, so it's as lustrous as possible. Every piece of jewelry must be polished for best plating results. Nendine uses several stone-making techniques, including slicing, grinding, sanding, and pre-forming polishing. Our expert gem cutters always cut the biggest and best faceted stone possible, working around any potential flaws in the gemstone. A good laser weld is 3 times as strong as the virgin metal, or 260 times stronger than a solder joint. This precision heat source allows laser weld metal in close proximity of heat-sensitive stones and materials such as enamel and pearls without affecting the stone or material. Our staff conducts a thorough inspecting and testing process throughout the production process, such as salt spray test, vibration abrasion test, and transportation test. We make sure your product is ready to be shipped, treated with care, and delivered on time. Nendine is your one-stop scalable resource for custom sterling silver jewelry and brass solutions. Have a project that needs sustainable jewelry? Get a quote today. Nendine.com